If you're trying to figure out how to use email marketing to drive webinar signups, this is the video you've been looking for. I've tested all the top tools and strategies, and by the end of this short tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple email into a webinar registration machine. Plus, I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial for the software I recommend, only available to viewers of this channel. First, you need one thing dialed in, a clear and irresistible webinar topic. Your subject line should make it feel urgent, valuable, or time sensitive. Think 3 days left. Learn how to double your leads with one simple funnel. Avoid sounding generic or salesy. Make the value obvious. Now to the sequence. You'll want to send a minimum of 3 emails before the webinar. The first email should introduce the webinar, highlight the benefits, and include a strong CTA, your registration link. Use a clean layout with one primary action button. Don't overload it. The second email, sent a day or two later, should include a personal story or social proof. Something like, one of our clients used what we're sharing in this webinar to book 10 new appointments in a week. This helps build trust and curiosity. The final reminder email should go out the day before or the morning of the webinar. Keep it short and direct. Example, we go live in 3 hours. Don't miss this if you want to turn more clicks into conversions. Reuse the CTA and test urgency-based subject lines like final reminder. Now, here's where software makes the difference. The software we'll be using in this tutorial makes it super easy to schedule these emails in a sequence, track opens, and automatically resend to people who didn't open. It even integrates directly with most webinar platforms, so registrations are tracked seamlessly. If you want to follow along or test it yourself, the free trial is linked in the description, exclusive for Dan Thorne viewers. A quick bonus tip, add a PS. Align in your emails. It's one of the most read parts. Say something like, even if you can't attend live, register anyway and we'll send the replay. Also, segment your list. Send these emails only to subscribers who've shown interest in your topic. Don't blast your whole list. Targeted emails convert better and keep your sender reputation healthy. Final tip, after the webinar, send a follow-up email with the replay link, a thank you, and a second CTA to take action, whether that's booking a call, buying a course, or whatever the next step is. Don't waste the momentum. Here's the key takeaway. Driving webinar signups through email marketing isn't about sending more emails. It's about sending the right message at the right time to the right people. That's how you turn subscribers into attendees and attendees into clients. Quick recap, write compelling subject lines, send a 3-email sequence, use personal stories and urgency, segment your list, use software to automate it all, and follow up after the webinar. If you want to make this 10x easier, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's the exact software I use and recommend, and it's only available to viewers of this channel. That's it. Simple, strategic, and effective. See you in the next tutorial.